Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add velocity or like motion tracking to your videos without opening CapCut. I don't know why I said that really weird, but without opening CapCut. So you're just going to press this plus button here, and I'm just going to add in a video. You can add in whatever kind of video that you would like, of course. Press next. Hopefully, okay. Then you're going to press the edit button here. Select your video, and actually don't select your, actually you can select your video. Sorry. Then go to magic, and there is velocity, camera, zoom, face tracking, face close-up, velocity. There's a bunch that you can choose from. If you want just the velocity to be on certain sections, maybe crop it or something. Okay, split it and then add the magic there. So let's add, I think I'm going to add the velocity zoom one, and just wait for it to apply. It doesn't take that long. So this is what it looks like. Obviously you can't really change the timing on these, unfortunately, but there's also some other things you can add. The frame ones, there's pop-up, there's some AI stuff here if you'd like to. There's some expression ones. I think the expression ones are new too, I guess. But yeah, that's how you can add these really cool new effects on it, I guess. But I hope it was, let's try face tracking. I don't think it's going to be applied because he wears a mask. Hold on, let me try something else. Whoa. Sorry, I haven't edited using TikTok in a while. Let's do hand tracking. I think that will do. There we go. And that is it for this video. Again, you can choose from these effects. There is a bunch that you can choose from. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.